Okay, hi guys. We're going to check traps. Let's see if there's anything in there. Well, it looks like we got a huge raccoon and a coyote trap. Okay, the trap has a lot of blood and stuff on it from the raccoon. So, my dad's gonna make a reset. And if he can't, he'll just swap out traps.
With how wet the winters are, the remakes are just a huge mud pit.
What's a mud?
Seems pretty really built. Love it when that happens. Nice deep catch though, so that's a plus. Let's see if we can get this re-bedded. See, brick didn't even hardly hurt.
Didn't look like it did.
Pretty pungent. Yeah, it's pretty skunky. I'm just gonna.
Oh, the trap is done.
Heck yeah.
We got a coyote.
Now hold on, I like when it barks.
Can I shoot it?
Yeah. I think, yeah. Hold on.
Wow. Oh, look, my coon is so cute. Yes, compared to the other one. Okay, resetting a trap because I got a coon.